Okay, now I'm ready for the mission.
Oh, Sammy, you got so dirty.
Sue, I'm gonna infiltrate the company of pigeons.
And why do you need a bandana? Doesn't make you look like a pigeon.
What do you mean? Why? If they see me without it, they will immediately scatter. In this way, I look more like a bush.
Actually, I don't think this masquerade can help you get lost in the pigeon crowd.
What do you think will help? Pigeon shoes?
That's actually a good idea. Let's go. Hi guys, today we'll make something really unusual.
Pigeon shoes, to be precise.
Let's start with a bird's body. I've already prepared a base. Strange, it was here a second ago.
Oh, that's what it is. I thought it was a kind of strange sleigh.
Thanks for bringing it. All we have to do now is to use this special needle and...
Some wool.
Thanks, Grandma Sammy. Let's start. We're going to work in this special technique that's called needle felting. The point is, we transform a piece of wool into a 3D object using a barbed needle.
Feel free to ask an adult to help you. It's better to be careful with needles.
Did you know, guys, that needle felting is a relatively new technique? It first appeared in 1980s. It was created by David and Eleanor Stanwood. They took needles from a wool factory and started using them to create tiny pieces of felt without adding any water or soap.
If I remember right what pigeons look like, we need to add some green and purple on the chest.
Oh, that's a great idea. I just need to finish this part first. Here we go. Actually, it's not as hard as it seems, guys. You need to try it.
I just found some purple felt. We're lucky to have it.
By the way, Sammy, why did you get so interested in a pigeon's life?
You see, I've never seen a baby pigeon, but there are so many adult pigeons everywhere. So, I decided it's kind of a mystery. Maybe there's a secret organization involved, or even government.
Sammy, you and your imagination. Everything is explained by biology. We don't see baby pigeons or squabs, because pigeons build their nests in hidden places, on rooftops or under bridges.
Sue, no need to put sponges everywhere to hint that I don't do chores.
Sammy, does this mean you'll go wash dishes right away? In the meantime, we'll continue working on the craft. Did you know, guys, that pigeons have a great memory for faces?
And their life expectancy is 20 years.
What are you thinking about, Sammy?
Compare these facts, Sue! Don't you see for yourself?
Well...
Somebody's using them for spying on us.
Oh, Sammy. I'm not sure anybody needs to know how many times I go to the local shop for cookies. Anyway, instead of conspiracy theories, better bring me a glue gun.
Does it mean it's time to attach the pigeon to the shoe?
That's right. Speaking of shoes, remember my old pair that I could never throw away?
You mean this one?
You read my mind. But right now, I actually only need the one shoe. We'll carefully apply some hot glue on the heel and then attach the pigeon. Guys, don't forget about the safety when working with the glue gun. One can easily get burned. There.
Sue, do you mind if I work on the second shoe myself?
Wow, Sammy, that'll be helpful. But you don't need to repeat after me, because every pigeon is unique.
Oh, Sue, you'll be very surprised.
Oh, no, Sammy, please, no experiments. You want it to blend with the company of real pigeons, remember?
Yeah, so no yellow feathers and red beaks?
Everything should look realistic.
Then I better keep an image in front of me not to get carried away.
Great idea, Sammy. The next step is to make feathers from 2 pieces of felt.
Oh, I see. It's taken so long, I'll have enough time to have a nap. I've already set the alarm. Bye-bye.
Hey, Sammy, wait. Did you forget I know some tricks?
What are you saying, Susie?
We'll just add some craft magic and everything's ready.
Wow, Sue, that was so cool. It woke me back up. But it seems you forgot the main thing.
Oops, you didn't see anything. Oh, I'm so lucky to have a gifted assistant like you, Sammy. All right, let's start assembling the wing, like this.
Oh, thank you, Sue. You made me blush.
By the way, guys, feel free to alternate colors to make unique patterns, like this. And Sammy, how is it going with the second shoe?
Faster than you think. I've just finished the second wing. I hope you didn't forget that pigeons have 2 of them.
Oh, I guess we need to speed up. There we go. Cool.
Working with tiny objects not only improves fine motor skills, but reminds me of meditation.
So the last step for this now is to attach the wing onto its place.
So long, Sue. I can't imagine how much time you need for the second wing.
Thanks for caring, Sammy, but everything is ready.
Not bad, not bad. I think mine looks more natural, though.
Oh yeah? We'll see. You haven't seen yet what I made for the tail. Check these out. I bet you haven't thought about this.
Can I do the same? Just a couple of feathers?
Of course you can, Sammy.
Yay!
We're making the pair together even if we're working on the separate shoes.
Check out how cool it is, but I still have a lot to do.
And you're not alone, Sammy. I still need to finish with the tail here, too. There we go. I think I need smaller feathers now. Wow, so many. Let's get back to work.
And then? How are you gonna attach them?
Look, we put one feather under the other and then glue them to the base.
Okay, I got everything. I'm gonna try to do that too.
And the last one. Perfect. I decided to put these rows at different angles to make the tail look more natural.
Sue, what about decorations?
Glad you asked. That's our next step, Sammy.
Let's move on to it.
La 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 la. La, 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 la.
Hey, Sue, what are you doing?
Well, you said it's time to work on decorations, right? So, I've made pigeon legs. Gobble, 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 gobble. Sam, where are my cookie crumbs? Did you eat them all?
Sue, enough joking around. We didn't finish the craft yet.
You're right. I have an idea. Let's use some pink.
Are we gonna draw different pigeons?
Maybe after this craft, Sammy. I wanted to paint the legs a bit so they look very realistic before we glue them to the heel.
That's a great idea. I'll go do the same.
Did you know pigeons have a great memory? That's why they were used as homing birds.
They got not only visual memory, but olfactory too, so they can navigate the terrain by smell.
Wow, very interesting fact, Sammy. Guys, we have to wait until the legs dry. Any ideas what to do in the meantime?
What do you mean what to do? Nothing personal, but I think your pigeon's missing something.
What exactly are you talking about, Sammy?
Where's the beak and the eyes?
You're always so attentive to details, Sammy. It's easy to fix. Voila! Just what we need.
Yes, this is exactly what we need. Then I'll make the eyes.
Deal. And the beak is ready.
Ta-da! Here I am, Susan.
Very funny.
What do you say?
They're pretty. You did a great job. Now let's give our pigeon its eyes. Perfect.
And by the way, you're welcome.
Oh, Sammy, of course. I noticed you already put the second eye.
La 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 la. Oh, Sue, looks like the legs are completely dry.
Oh. So, it's time to attach them. Here we go. Guys, I'm happy to announce that my shoe is done. What about yours, Sammy?
If you help me, I'd be very thankful, Susie. To craft a shoe and to carry it are two different things.
Sure thing. Oh, you were helping me so much that you forgot to make decor.
I didn't actually forget. I just wanted to show you some cool magic tricks. Right.
Oh, now I see.
Watch and learn. Whoosh. Ha! All done.
Such an amazing pair came out, guys. Would you look at these? Sammy, where are you? Sammy, I'm ready for infiltration. We can start an operation. Come on. Oh, there you are. Hey, let's go.
Huh? What? Where to?
Outside. Pigeons and their secrets, remember?
Ah, that. I don't need that anymore. I revealed all the secrets, Sue.
So, was it all for nothing?
Of course not, Sue. Now you have a truly unique pair of shoes that nobody else can boast. Join me. I'm watching a documentary about pigeons.
Great idea. But first, we need to say bye to our viewers.
Oh, sorry guys. I almost forgot. Hit the bell button if you like these wonderful pigeon shoes.
Yeah, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel.
Bye-bye, little friends.